Happy morning, students. 10th standard science chapter 13 structural organization of animals. In this session we are going to learn about urinogenital system of rabbit. In our last session we have learned about different organ system of rabbit. Now we see urinogenital system. Urinogenital system. Urinogenital is a combined system. Urino means urinary or excretory system. That is elimination of waste product from the body. That is the excretory system or urinary system. Next one, genital system or reproductive system. First one, we will see the excretory system. So the excretory system, it consists of pair of kidneys. It consists of pair of kidneys. The kidneys are dark red color. This is a dark red colored kidney. Then the shape of the kidney is bean shaped. Okay, beans bean shaped kidney. Then the kidney is located in the abdominal cavity. Okay, abdominal cavity occupy the kidney. So inside the kidney there is presence of several nephrons. That is, numerous nephrons are present inside the kidney. Each kidney. So the nephron are structural and functional unit of the excretory system. Okay, nephrons are structural and functional unit of excretory system. So the nephron separate the nitrogenous waste product. The nephron separate or filter the nitrogenous waste products from the blood, and then it excrete in the form of urea, that is the urine. Urine contain large amount of urea. From each kidney arise a ureter. See the picture. This is a kidney, bean shaped kidney, dark red in color. From each kidney arise a long muscular tube. This is a long muscular tube. The tube is called as ureter. This is a ureter, long muscular tube. The ureter enter into the urinary bladder. So the urinary bladder, it stores the urine. Then the urinary bladder, it leads to a thick muscular tube that is called as urethra. That is the opening of the tube that is called as urethra. Okay, so this is the excretory system of rabbit. Next, reproductive system of rabbit. First, we will see male reproductive system. The male reproductive system, it consists of pair of testes. So the testes are ovoid in shape. Ovoid means oval or egg shape. This is a testis. So the testes are enclosed by a sac-like structure. The testes are enclosed by a sac-like structure or pouch-like structure that is called as scrotal sacs. Okay, scrotal sac. So each testis, it consists of numerous tubules. Inside the testis, there is presence of numerous there is a compartment, that is the lobules. That is called as lobules. The lobules, it contains seminiferous tubule, and then it contains a Sertoli cells and then Leydig cells. So the Sertoli cells and Leydig cells will produce a sperm. Okay. Sertoli cells are the supporting cells, or it gives the nourishment to the sperms. So the seminiferous tubule collects the spermatozoa and then it enters to the epididymis. So epididymis is a coiled tubule. The epididymis will store the spermatozoans, and then the epididymis, it leads to a tube. So the tube is called as vas deferens. So the vas deferens join in the urethra. Okay, so that is a urinary bladder. Just below the urinary bladder, it open into the urethra. That is the penis. Okay, it open out by the penis. Okay, so this is a male reproductive system. The male reproductive system, it contains accessory reproductive glands. There are 3 accessory reproductive glands, 3 pairs of accessory reproductive glands. First pair prostate gland, second one corpus gland, third one perineal gland. So these are all the three accessory reproductive glands. So these accessory reproductive glands secrete ejaculatory fluid. Okay, they secrete ejaculatory fluid. So the ejaculatory fluid nourish and protect the sperm. Okay, so this is the male reproductive system. Next one, female reproductive system. So the female reproductive system, it consists of a pair of ovaries. Pair of ovaries. Ovaries are oval in shape or ovoid in shape. So the ovaries are located in the abdominal cavity. Ovaries are located in abdominal cavity behind the kidney. Okay. Next, the ovaries are arise a oviduct. Okay, each ovary arise a oviduct. So the anterior part of the oviduct, that is called as fallopian tube. Okay, this is the anterior part. This is the posterior part. Anterior part of the oviduct is called as fallopian tube, and in the fallopian tube it leads into a wider tube. There is a elongated tube that is called as uterus. Okay, the two uterus, so same fallopian tube and leads to a uterus. So the uterus join together to form a common tube. So this is a vagina. Okay, common tube. So the common tube is formed by the union of urinary bladder and then urinogenital canal. So that is called as or vestibule. Okay. So the vestibule runs backward and to open into the exterior by the slit-like opening. That is aperture means opening. Slit-like aperture, that is called as vulva. Okay. So the female reproductive system also contain a accessory reproductive glands. One is a pair of corpus gland, another one pair of perineal glands. So this is a female accessory reproductive glands. Clear? So male reproductive system is a very important question, and then draw the pictures, practice the pictures. Okay, clear? Thank you, students.